Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some super useful and budget-friendly kitchen gadgets that will save you time and make cooking a breeze. All these gadgets are affordable and available online. So without further ado, let's dive in. Multi-purpose revolving spice rack. Say goodbye to messy spice cabinets. This 16:1 revolving spice rack keeps your spices neatly organized and easily accessible. The transparent jars help you identify spices quickly, and the unbreakable design ensures long-lasting use. It's compact yet spacious enough for all your favorite seasonings. A must-have for an organized kitchen. Stainless steel cup slicer. Chopping fruits has never been this easy. This stainless steel cup slicer is perfect for cutting strawberries, eggs, and small fruits in one swift motion. Its sharp yet safe design makes slicing effortless. Plus, it helps you prepare fresh salads and fruit bowls in seconds. No more hassle with knives. Adjustable stainless steel vegetable slicer. Cut perfect slices every time with this adjustable slicer. Whether it's potatoes, onions or cucumbers, the knob lets you choose the thickness of your slices. It includes a safety holder to keep your hands protected while cutting. Durable and easy to clean, this slicer makes food prep a breeze. USB rechargeable milk frother. Love creamy coffee? This milk frother turns regular milk into a smooth, foamy delight in seconds. Perfect for cappuccinos, lattes and even whisking eggs. It's USB rechargeable, so you don't need batteries. Compact and portable, it's a must-have for every coffee lover. Wall-mount broom holder. Tidy up your space with this multi-purpose wall-mounted broom holder. It keeps mops, brooms and other tools neatly organized. With 5 slots and 6 hooks, it's perfect for the kitchen, laundry or garage. Easy to install and super sturdy, it helps keep your home clutter-free. Heat-resistant silicone gloves. No more burnt fingers while handling hot pots. These heat-resistant silicone gloves provide excellent grip and protection while cooking or grilling. Waterproof and lined with cotton for comfort, they're perfect for handling hot dishes straight from the oven. Silicone kitchen utensil set. Upgrade your kitchen with this non-stick silicone utensil set. With wooden handles and BPA-free heat-resistant material, these tools are perfect for cooking without scratching your cookware. Flexible, durable and easy to clean, they bring style and functionality to your kitchen. Electric pepper grinder and a salt mill. Season your food like a pro with this battery-powered pepper grinder. It features an adjustable coarseness setting, LED light and one-hand operation for convenience. No more manual grinding, just press and enjoy freshly ground spices effortlessly. Multifunctional funnel set. Pour liquids and powders without spills. This set includes multiple funnel sizes for easy transfer of cooking oil, juice and dry ingredients. Made of durable plastic, it's a simple yet essential gadget for a mess. Stainless steel apple corer. Remove apple cores effortlessly with this ultra-sharp corer. Just press and twist to separate the seeds and enjoy perfectly cored apples. Ideal for baking, juicing or quick fruit prep. Easy to clean and built to last. Rechargeable citrus juicer. Enjoy fresh juice anywhere with this portable citrus juicer. Perfect for oranges, lemons and mosambis. It features USB charging and one-button operation. Its compact design makes it travel-friendly, so you can have fresh juice anytime, anywhere. Heavy-duty can opener. Open cans smoothly and safely with this stainless steel can opener. The ergonomic handle ensures easy grip, and its smooth edge cutting mechanism prevents sharp edges. Bonus, it also functions as a bottle opener. Digital measuring spoon scale. Precision in cooking is key. This electronic measuring spoon helps you measure ingredients accurately in grams or ounces. With an LCD, it ensures perfect measurements for baking, coffee, and even medicine. A game changer for home chefs. Wooden chopping board with steel drip tray. This versatile wooden chopping board is perfect for cutting veggies, fruits and meat. It includes a built-in steel tray to catch food scraps, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Durable and easy to maintain, it's a great upgrade for any kitchen. Silicone brush with oil bottle. This 2-in-1 gadget makes oiling pans, basting and barbecuing effortless. The built-in oil bottle ensures controlled oil dispensing. And the heat-resistant silicone brush spreads evenly. Say goodbye to messy oiling and enjoy healthier cooking. That's it for today's list of must-have kitchen gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing finds. All product links are in the description. Happy